Hello and a very warm welcome to all. Today we shall be discussing about Google Drive, just Google Drive, and how you can use Google Drive to your maximum benefit, which includes Google Docs and everything. Now to begin with, first of all, we go to Google Chrome, right? We go to the Google Chrome, we open our Google site, whatever it is. Now when you open the Google site, so what we do is first we need to sign in with our account. When you'll see at the right hand side corner, right? At the right hand side corner, when you click in, you'll have an option to manage your accounts. Suppose you have a lots of accounts, so whatever account you have, you need to sign in first. Suppose I have signed in with this account, right? Now once I sign in with this account, they ask for your password. You sign in. Now, after this, you'll see 9 dots which appears here. At the right side of the corner, at the right hand side, you can see there are 9 dots. When you press these 9 dots, you can see that there are various options which are related with the various options which basically the Google gives you. Right? There is a search and maps and YouTube, Gmail, Drive, and whatnot. So today for our topic of discussion, we go for Google Drive. Let's we click Google Drive. Once you click Google Drive, you see at the left hand side corner, you get many options. Now remember, of every Google Drive you have, or the every Google Gmail account you make, you get a 15 GB of free space. Right? You get 15 GB of free space. What we have to do, there are various options such as new, my drive. When you click my drive, it shows the various work which you have done or the various things which the people have shared with you or the various things which you have saved in your drive. As of today, Google Drive is important. Why? Because you go to one place to another, and if it is just on your WhatsApp, the entire things get deleted. So we don't have to delete it, right? What we need to do is all the important things should be stored with us. So there is my drive which shows all the things which you have done. When you go to shared with me, it shows various things which have been shared with you. That is what other people have sent you. Then if you see the recent one shows the various um, documents which you have opened recently. You go to start. It shows the various. We mark certain if you remember if you have noticed even if in your WhatsApp or in your Gmail or in any of your mail, what you do is just click at the icon, which is a star shape icon, which makes it like the important part, the important messages. So you can star mark your folders and files. And the what is when we have phone is not the dustbin, the trash which is there, and you there are various things which is there, and you want to delete, you can delete it, and as it is automatically deleted. Now let's go to the other part. This is the option new, right? Now new is why is it important is suppose you've created a file or you have created a folder, so you can you can upload a file, right? See, there is folder, file upload, folder upload. Suppose we click folder. When you click a clear folder, a new folder which is with the name untitled folder comes up. Suppose what we I do is I create this folder in the name of personal, right? Now, this is my personal folder, suppose I have created. So it is working on it, and a folder named personal is created, which right now contains nothing. What can I do is drop files here or use the new button. So what here is like if you open a new, you click here the new button. So whatever the files we have, which I create, suppose my personal file, it will come to file upload or folder upload, whatever personal things which I have as such, I can open up. Suppose this is file upload, right? There is certain file which I have, and I want to suppose post it here. Suppose this is one thing which is on my computer, and I want to post it here. So what I'll do is I select this file name and open, and the entire stuff will be uploaded to my personal thing. So it totally depends on what you want to upload. Now you can share, you can move to, you can rename, and there are various things. You can make a copy, you can download it at the, suppose you're using certain computer right now, and say after 10 days you need to shift somewhere, or after 10 days you don't have this computer for some reason, or you have just of your mobile. So what you can do is you can simply take up this and you can open it in at any place you are right now. Right? Now, the next thing which I wanted you to know is, right, we go to new, then we have seen file upload, we have seen folder upload. Just as I have created a folder node personal, what I can do is I simply can upload a folder, right? Same thing, I want to upload this entire folder. So I can upload the entire folder on the Google Drive. And if I uploaded this folder on the Google Drive, I can conduct my classes from wherever I am. Like if you are there, you can send your assignments from wherever you are. You don't have to panic like, "Arey, ghar mein chhoot gaya and we left my assignment home," or "How will I submit? Ma'am, I don't have my computer. I don't have my laptop." There can be a number of excuses of getting things done, and getting a trillion excuses of not getting a thing done. As of now, you need to keep yourself motivated and you have to keep yourself on edge if you want to succeed, right? So what we have to do is this is one facility which we have, which is absolutely free, no cost at all, right? So you can upload, and you click upload, the entire thing, suppose I click upload, the entire thing upload, this will upload all the files from SEM3 only if you trust this site, right? And I do trust this site. And the entire thing would be uploaded here. See, SEM3 entire folder has been uploaded here. Now next thing is, let me show you. The other thing is Google Docs. Google Docs is something like, the Word document which we have been using. Entire thing is the same, right? Suppose you type, I am going to have, I'm going to say, learn Google Drive, and I shall have the competitive advantage. Okay? Now, suppose you have to do this. Now, one of the important things in Google Drive is, the thing is automatically saved. You don't have to save. It is saved here. See, this is the right now, as of now, it is saved, and I'm going to whatever it is. Suppose you have to save it in the name of assignment. Assignment. Right? It is saved in the form of assignment. And the entire thing, this you can just look out here in the normal text, whatever font you want, the size you want. You can bold it, you can put it in italics, you can put it in underline, the colors, the various colors which you can use, or whatever you want, you can do it. And you see, the minute you are doing it, it is automatically saved. You don't have to put on control S every time. It is saved just as it is, right? Now, another important thing is, you can that you can insert a link here, then you can add a comment here, then you can insert an image here, whatever you want, from the upload, from your computer, from your web, photos, by URL, camera, if you have a webcam, whatever it is, you can upload it right there and then. There is everything which you have in Word plus additional feature is available in this Google Doc. Now, suppose you're making an assignment. If you want to go online and create it here, well and good. Or you make an offline assignment and you put it on your Google Drive, so it will be there with you forever since you want it, till you want it, right? And how will you share this thing? You will go to the share option. I'll do this again. This is the share option. It is on the right side. I go to this share option. Now there are different things which are available. Who do you want to share it with? Certain groups of people where you want to share, or you can do is, you can simply copy the link. If you copy the link, it will be copied, right? And you can restrict the action. You go to the settings. You can restrict the actions. You can, uh, you know, um, check your yeah, here you are. Correct. So you can, change to anyone with the link, right? Who can edit your this? You see, you can copy the link. The link is copied and you can paste it anywhere. If you have to send it on your mail, or if you if you have to put it on your Google Classroom, or you have to put it in your say WhatsApp, wherever your ma'am asks you, wherever your professor asks you to put a link or your assignment, you can simply copy the link and you can put it there. Now, who can edit? Now, if you're sharing your Google Drive the link, that does not mean that anyone can edit it, right? Now, who can see this link? Anyone, who can edit this link? Anyone on the internet with this link can view. This is the viewer, right? If you use commenter, then anyone with this link, whosoever you have shared the link with, can comment on this document. Editor, if I am making this document and I am making you the editor, right? And if I am sending you the link, then you can write as well on this platform, right? You can write this on the platform. See, now I paste the link. This is the link. If you click the link, it will open it in the next window, and anyone with the link, anyone with this link can edit it. Now, next important thing which I wanted to share is, you open this and see. Now, how do you want to save this? As it is saved in your Google Drive. Now, suppose you have the certain formats in which you have to submit your assignment. You might have to submit your assignment in Word format. If you save it as Word format, it will simply go and see. Word format will simply be saved in the Word format in your download folder. Remember, where will it be stored? It will be stored in your download folder. There is your computer and you have a download folder. If you want to open your whatever you want to have, whatever you have said, see, it will be open. See, it is saved in the Word format as the name assignment. And if you want to open it, you go to downloads and you'll get it. You go to downloads, there you have the assignment, right? Suppose you don't want to save it as a Word. You want to save it as say PDF. We do want the assignments are sometimes ours as submitted as PDF, so we want to save it as PDF. We click on PDF. It will be automatically saved in a PDF format in your download folder. Remember where? In your download folder. Now suppose I open it. Suppose I open it, you'll find it in the download folder. See, it is a PDF format. It is very much there in your download folder. Right. So this is the basic important thing about Google Docs. It is very important when you need to save your assignment, when you need to save your um, work. It will easily available. Right. Now the next important thing is, go to the like Google Docs. You have Google Sheets. Now Google Sheets, blank sheet or from templates. Suppose Google Sheet is what? Google Sheet is something like your Excel sheet. If you have to work on Excel, you have to create a sheet and you can work it. Will be saved it there and then. If you suppose new, then you go for Google Slides. If you Google for Slides, it is something like the PowerPoint presentation which we have made. So if you want to have a PowerPoint presentation which you want to save here, either you can make it on your offline screen, right? You can make it offline on your PowerPoint and then you can upload on your Google Drive, or you can directly click here and you can make on the Google Drive. And then what happens is, it is, if here is your presentation. If you want, you can start presenting, or you can share it with whosoever you want. This excuse me, this and the presenting is same in the similar fashion. Who do you want to in? So the most important thing is the link. See, the link is very important. The link is how you can share things with the other people. How will somebody know that what is stored in your computer? Somebody can know what is stored in your computer only when you give the access to the link. The link is very important. The link is very important, right? If you have the link, if you give it, share it with somebody else, this is the link. If you share it with somebody else, so what happens is, at any point of time, if you want the viewer to just view your link, or if you want to submit to your teacher who wants to access, so they can comment on that your file, or you want to you have a project which four of you have to make, and four of you stuck at your own places, excuse me, cannot come to the place. So what you have to do is you have simply have to open it, and four of you can edit it at there and then, and it will be saved. One person opening and one person making and four-person operating on it. This is all about Google Doc and Google File. I hope I am clear. Do try it out. Practice. It's these computer things are basically like cooking. Excuse me. What happens is when you're cooking, no, even if there's aloo gobi ka sabji, right? If you tell people tell you you have to put in oil, you put in aloo, you have to put in gobi. But at the end of the day, as you do not know how much of the salt you have to put in or how much of the oil you have to put in, you'll never get it. So please go through it, and I hope I'm clear. Stay safe, stay home, and happy learning.